Macronutrients, micronutrients, diet, nutrition. Hello, I'm Dr. Kavita Gadekar from Nasik, and today I'm going to talk about diet and nutrition and importance of nutrients in the Indian women. So a woman has to go through various phases of her life, whether she is a daughter, a growing girl, a young woman, a pregnant woman or a lactating mother, or she is at the end of her reproductive career, that is her menopause. Nutrition plays a very important role. Macronutrient like protein is a very important macronutrient. 0.5 to 0.6 gram per day has to be consumed, which comes around 50 to 60 grams per day. A protein rich source, maybe vegetarian or non-vegetarian, has to be introduced and included in the diet. Our Indian diet has less amount of protein and more amount of carbs, which should be consciously be replaced with proteins, that is 50 to 60 gram per day. Then carbohydrates are also essential, but see to it that refined flour and its products are not consumed. Rather, a homemade atta is always preferred. Try to include different grains and millets in your diet. Fats are also essential. Good quality fat should be included in your diet. Micronutrients like iron is one of the essential element for the body. Hemoglobin is produced with the help of iron, and this is a very important factor for the overall functioning of a woman's body. Decreased iron leads to anemia, as we know, and this also causes decreased immunity, which makes women prone to multiple infections. So adequate amount of iron consumption and in some cases supplementation is very essential. Growing girls and pregnant women need to take supplements to increase her iron content. Nutrient is calcium. Calcium, as we know, is important for your bones, muscles and overall functioning of the body. Adequate amount of calcium is required at all the phases of our life. Decreased amount of calcium consumption can lead to osteopenia or osteoporosis in future. So adequate amount of calcium along with good amount of exercise has to be done by all the age group of women. Other micronutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, magnesium, manganese, selenium and many others are also important, and your diet should be all inclusive. Try to follow a rainbow diet. It also gives you a lot of antioxidants. Rainbow is all try and include all the 7 colors in your food. And along with that, have some probiotic in your diet. A homemade curd is a good source of probiotic, and it is helpful for you to also aid a good gut health.